Friends, so today I'm going to review this little bike puncture repairing kit. It's a from Park Tool and im- import imported by Happy Earth Enterprises in India, and it's Indian rupees 140. So let's start with packing. It's a little bit, you have to see, it's a very small case. Let's and uh, some type of plastic type of case, yeah, normal plastic case. Let's open this one. And when I am going to open, it's normal this side, it's mention direction. How can I use this total kit for bike puncture repairing, and comes with a product. In this box we have one glove. Okay, yeah, we have some glove from Park Tool, and one scrubbing, yeah, one scrubbing, some scrubber for scrubbing tube before patching. And we have some patches. Okay, that's it. We have 3 items in this case. We have 2 long patches and 2 small patches and 2 medium round type of patches. It's a square and 2 round small and big patches. Total 6 patches in this box, and one scrubbing pad and one glove. So that's it in this box, and thank you so much, guys.